From the sun-scorched outback to lush rainforests and coral reefs, Australia is a wildlife wonderland, home to some of the most iconic, bizarre, and awe-inspiring animals on the planet. This 10-minute journey will show you the wild side of the land down under. Imagine sharing the vast plains with red kangaroos, their powerful legs carrying them across the landscape in graceful bounds. Picture the cuddly koala, high in the eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves with an air of nonchalant contentment. We'll venture into dense rainforests, echoing with the calls of exotic birds, and delve into the depths of the ocean, where the Great Barrier Reef teems with life. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the wild. Let's start with Australia's unofficial mascots, kangaroos. These extraordinary creatures, symbols of a land both rugged and beautiful, are found nowhere else on Earth. There are over 50 species, from the majestic red kangaroo, standing tall against the backdrop of Uluru, to the agile wallabies darting through the undergrowth. Kangaroos are superbly adapted to their environment. Their powerful hind legs, ending in those iconic large feet, aren't just for show. They deliver a formidable kick, capable of fending off predators, and propel the kangaroo across the landscape in bounds that can reach astonishing speeds. Observe a mob of kangaroos, and you'll witness a complex social structure. The dominant males, easily identifiable by their size and muscular build, engage in boxing matches, a display of strength and agility, to establish their hierarchy. From the arid outback to the fringes of the rainforest, kangaroos are an integral part of the Australian landscape. So keep your eyes peeled as we journey through this remarkable land. Next up, koalas. These iconic creatures with their fluffy ears, button noses, and perpetually sleepy expressions have captured the hearts of people worldwide. Found clinging to the branches of eucalyptus trees, they seem to embody the tranquility of the Australian bush. Koalas are highly specialized creatures, perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. Their sharp claws and strong limbs allow them to navigate the eucalyptus branches with ease, while their thick fur provides insulation from both heat and cold. Koalas are notoriously picky eaters, subsisting almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are low in nutrients and contain toxins that would be harmful to most animals, but koalas have evolved a unique digestive system that allows them to break down these toxins and extract the nutrients they need. Sadly, these gentle creatures are facing increasing threats, from habitat loss due to deforestation and bushfires to the impacts of climate change. It's more important than ever that we work to protect these vulnerable creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. Their survival depends on our understanding and our commitment to conservation. Now for something a little toothier. Australia is renowned for its reptile diversity, from the massive saltwater crocodiles patrolling the waterways to the intricate patterns of a desert python. These cold-blooded creatures have ruled the Australian landscape for millions of years, adapting and thriving in a variety of habitats. Let's start with the apex predator of the waterways, the saltwater crocodile. These prehistoric giants, some reaching over 20 feet in length, are a force to be reckoned with. Their powerful jaws, lined with razor-sharp teeth, can deliver a bite with incredible force, while their armored bodies provide protection from most threats. Venture into the arid interior, and you might encounter the thorny devil. This lizard, with its spiky armor and intimidating demeanor, is a master of camouflage. Australia is home to some of the most venomous snakes in the world, including the inland taipan, whose venom is potent enough to kill 100 adult humans with a single bite. Respect their space, admire them from a safe distance, and appreciate the intricate web of life that connects us all. Birdwatchers, rejoice. Australia is a paradise for avian enthusiasts, boasting over 800 bird species, each more extraordinary than the last. From the iconic kookaburra, whose laughter echoes through the bush, to the vibrant plumage of the rainbow lorikeet, the skies of Australia are alive with colour and song. Let's begin our avian adventure with the laughing kookaburra, a true symbol of the Australian bush. This charismatic bird is known for its distinctive call, which sounds uncannily like human laughter. Kookaburras are often seen perched on branches, surveying their surroundings with a watchful eye, ready to pounce on unsuspecting insects or small reptiles. Venture into the rainforest, and you might encounter the spectacular cassowary, a flightless bird with a prehistoric appearance. Its striking blue head and casque, a bony crest on top of its head, make it a truly unforgettable sight. From the brilliant reds and greens of the Eucalyptus parrot to the striking pink and grey of the galah, these birds add a splash of vibrancy to the landscape. Their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech have made them popular pets, but in the wild, they are a vital part of the ecosystem, dispersing seeds and pollinating plants. So keep your eyes peeled and your ears open as we continue our journey, for you never know what feathered marvel you might encounter next. Australia is a land of extremes, from its scorching deserts to its lush rainforests, and its wildlife is just as diverse and extraordinary, boasting some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures on the planet. Let's start with the platypus, a creature that seems to have been stitched together from the spare parts of other animals. With its duck-billed snout, webbed feet, and beaver-like tail, it's no wonder that early European naturalists thought it was a hoax. But the platypus is very real, and it's a marvel of evolution. It's one of only 5 mammal species that lay eggs, and it's also equipped with electroreceptors on its bill, which it uses to detect prey underwater. And then there's the echidna, another egg-laying mammal, covered in spines and possessing a long, sticky tongue for lapping up ants and termites. The echidna is a master of defense and foraging. But perhaps the most Instagram-worthy of Australia's weird and wonderful creatures is the quokka. This small macropod, found only on a few islands off the coast of Western Australia, is known for its seemingly perpetual grin. We journey now from the sun-drenched landscapes of the Australian interior to the turquoise depths of the Coral Sea, where a world of unparalleled beauty and diversity awaits. Here, stretching over 1,400 miles along the Queensland coast, lies the Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth. Visible from space, this intricate tapestry of coral reefs, islands, and cays is a testament to the power of nature, built by billions of tiny coral polyps over millennia. But it's beneath the surface that the true magic of the Great Barrier Reef unfolds. Imagine diving into a world of vibrant color and movement. Schools of fish, a kaleidoscope of hues, dart in and out of coral formations, their scales shimmering in the sunlight that filters through the water. Graceful manta rays, their wingspans reaching over 20 feet, glide effortlessly through the water, while sea turtles, ancient mariners, paddle by with serene indifference. The Great Barrier Reef is home to over 1,500 species of fish, from the clownfish, made famous by the movie Finding Nemo, to the giant grouper, a behemoth that can grow up to 8 feet long. Sharks, both predator and prey, patrol the reefs, their sleek forms a reminder of the ocean's raw power. Sadly, this underwater paradise is facing unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the Outback, a different kind of magic takes hold. The day's heat recedes and the air cools, signaling the start of a new shift in the animal kingdom. This is the time when Australia's nocturnal creatures emerge from their daytime slumber, ready to hunt, forage, and claim their place under the starlit sky. In the heart of Tasmania, a chorus of eerie screeches pierces the stillness. These are the sounds of Tasmanian devils, carnivorous marsupials with a ferocious reputation. Despite their small size, these creatures possess a powerful bite and an insatiable appetite, feeding on carrion and hunting small mammals and birds. High above, flitting silently through the darkness, are bats, the only mammals capable of true flight. Australia is home to over 80 bat species, from the tiny insectivorous microbats to the larger fruit bats, also known as flying foxes. These nocturnal navigators play a vital role in pollination and seed dispersal, ensuring the health of forests and woodlands. Out in the arid interior, where the stars blaze with an intensity rarely seen elsewhere, bilbies emerge from their burrows. From the outback to the ocean, Australia's wildlife is diverse, dramatic, and deeply unique. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a quiet observer, there's an animal encounter here waiting for you. But remember, these creatures and their habitats are precious and fragile. As we've journeyed together, we've witnessed the impacts of human activity on the natural world, from habitat loss to climate change. If you enjoyed this wild ride, hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and drop a comment with your favorite Aussie animal. Let's continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the wonders of the natural world, not just in Australia, but across our planet. For it's only through understanding and respect that we can hope to conserve these treasures for future generations.